sorgen, dass dieser Konflikt nicht auf weitere Länder Europas übergreift. Ich bin mir mit dem amerikanischen Präsidenten und unseren europäischen Freunden einig, dies mit all uns zur Verfügung stehenden Mitteln zu verhindern.
Our forces are not and will not be engaged in the conflict with Russia in Ukraine. Our forces are not going to Europe to fight in Ukraine, but to defend our NATO allies and reassure those allies in the East. This aggression cannot go unanswered. If it did, the consequences for America would be much...
Shortly after 4 o'clock this morning, I spoke to President Zelensky of Ukraine to offer the continued support of the UK, because our worst fears have, and without any credible excuse. Innumerable missiles and bombs have been raining down on an entirely innocent population. A vast is an attack not just on Ukraine, it's an attack on democracy and freedom in Eastern Europe and around the world. This crisis is about the right of a free, sovereign, independent European people to choose their own future. And that